The principal aim of the Children's Commissioner is to safeguard and promote children's rights. The Commissioner works for every child and young person in Wales up to the age of 18, up to 21 if a young person has been in care, or up to 25 if a young person has been in care and is still in education. The Commissioner can review how the decisions and practices of certain public bodies in Wales, including Welsh Government, affect children and young people in Wales and impact their rights under the UNCRC. This includes the power to monitor how effectively public bodies deal with complaints, how they make sure that any concerns raised by their staff about children's welfare are listened to, and how they make sure that children are given the opportunity to have their say on the issues that affect them. The Commissioner can also examine cases related to individual children if certain criteria are met. These include if the child normally lives in Wales, if their case raises concerns about the rights or welfare of children generally in Wales, and if there is no other organisation that is better placed to deal with their concern. The Commissioner can provide advice to the public on matters concerning children and young people in Wales, which she does through an investigation and advice team. The Commissioner doesn't have the power to act in some circumstances, including any matter that isn't devolved to the National Assembly for Wales.